Hello and welcome. Mbaniriza mu video yaffe eya leero. In this video we are going to look at questions using what? Questions using what? Chi or chichi in Luganda. Please note, for names or identity, Luganda often uses ani to refer to someone or person. Once again, for names or identity, Luganda often uses ani to refer to someone or person instead of chi. Ku bantu tukozesa ani nga tubuuza okumanya so si chi. Ku bantu tukozesa ani nga tubuuza okumanya so si chi. So when you're referring to people, you use ani tokozesa chi. Sometimes we'll hear chichi, especially what on its own. Sometimes you will hear chichi, especially for what on its own, and to strongly emphasize the question. Sometimes you will hear chichi, especially for what on its own, and to strongly emphasize the question. Okay, let's have some examples. Ebyokulabirako. What do you like? What do you like? Chi choyagala. Chi choyagala. What do you need? What do you need? Chi chewetaga. Chi chewetaga. Or some people can say chichi chewetaga. Chichi chewetaga. What is this? What is this? Chino chi. Chino chi, or some people can say chino chichi, chino chichi, or chichi chino, chichi chino. What is your name? What is your name? Erinnya lyo gwe ani? Erinnya lyo gwe ani? Hope you can remember, we've said for names we use ani, not chi. So here we're going to say erinnya lyo gwe ani. What is your name? What do you want? What do you want? Oyagala chi. Oyagala chi. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okola chi. Okola chi. What is the time? What is the time? Sawa meka. Sawa meka. Here we don't include chi. Sawa meka. What are you eating? What are you eating? Olya chi. Olya chi. Or some people say chi cholya. Chi cholya. What are you eating? What do you have? What do you have? Olina chi. Olina chi. So what do you have is olina chi. Or you can hear some people saying chi cholina. Chi cholina. What has happened? What has happened? Ki ekibaddewo? Ki ekibaddewo? What is the problem? What is the problem? Buzibu ki? Buzibu ki? Okay, that is it in this video. Hope you've learned something. Let's meet up in the next video. Bye bye. Wherever.